Doing this limit under a doormat is surprisingly difficult. Here, we're looking at a limit as x approaches 5 of this quadratic raised to the 14th power. Try to work out the problem before I move on. Now, I don't know about you guys, but to me, I wouldn't want to multiply this 14 times, even if my life depended on it. Okay, maybe if my life depended on it, but still. So therefore, I think it's more reasonable that we use the limits of powers law, which says that we can take our limit and do the inside function first before raising it to a power. Now, I know it looks like I didn't do much of a change, but remember, order of operations is a big deal. By moving this limit to the inside of the parentheses, we now are required to do the limit here first before focusing on the 14. So as long as we're not making any denominator 0 or taking the log of a 0 or negative, we're pretty much good to go here. We can just substitute 5 for x. And so by doing all this, we get a value of 6, meaning that as x approaches 5 of this quadratic, it all approaches 6. Now remember, that's just the limit of the quadratic. What we are missing is also to the 14th power. That is a huge difference. And 6 to the power of 14 equals 78,364,164,096. And that still isn't enough chips for my guacamole. Anyways, I hope this short little math tutorial helped you. If it did, I'd be happy to hear how it did in the comments below.